Go shift my focus and focus on that.
A woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. We keep receiving blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa.
Welcome to a new vlog. Yes, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Saturday. And listen, guys, it's been a while. I've actually done this. And if I want to see me myself, I'm going to do it like how I used to do it. Mind on the business. Mind on the business. You can see there right now, me already I look over someone else, so if you look. So, on the mind on the business, and just welcome to a new vlog. This is V-La-Nessa. I went to work this morning. I'm going on a break, and then I'll be back at 4:30. I'm just walking home because I just want to go and go sit down. Sit down and probably just watch one episode of Unbreakable. Like, let's tell you about that. It's been cold for the past couple of days, but today is just so perfect. I don't even know why I'm in this. The reason why is because I thought that outside was cold because I was working inside, and the sun is shining perfectly on my face, and then the weather is not so cold. It's perfect. So I love that. I love that. I wish that winter would be just like this. It's so weird vlogging, people watching me. I need to get back into it. And then because I don't have my pocket through with me, I'm just using my phone because I have to start somewhere, right? Yeah, but welcome, guys. I'm probably go home and make a peanut butter sandwich or heat up the soup that I did the other day. But I was feeling for Subway, but that's gonna take too long. So I'm just gonna go home, rest for 1 hour, and then walk out again. 15 minutes too. Lunch was busy today. It wasn't busy inside, but it was busy outside. The good thing is I had a lucky table. I am always so lucky. We have a lucky table, and yeah, if we can make a little bit over $100 or over even $100, I am good. So for lunch, that is, especially inside, because more time I just make like $60, $50, whatever, but I made more than that, so I am good, grateful for that. And then I have dinner later, and for dinner my quota, our quota is always like $200 and over, so hopefully I make that tonight. It is going to be busy tonight. There's a wine room. Don't know if I'm going to get the wine room. If I get the wine room, then I'm even luckier. But last night I was lucky. I'm always lucky. Blessed, I should say, blessed. So yeah, today is a good day, and I just want to close off this paycheck tomorrow with good checks, right? Because I haven't been using any of my money, or any of my paychecks since I came back from Vegas. I just been paying off, what do you call it, credit card debt. And since I paid it off the last paycheck, I want this paycheck to be savings. Yeah, so we kind of reach home, almost. Kind of reach home. So I just go sit down, relax. I just want to watch one episode. Hey, the movie I get hot now. I'm going to sit down and tell you now when we reach home tonight about it. It was a mistake, you know. You noticed me say a movie just a while ago, it was a mistake. I actually thought it was a movie. And then when I reached to the end, I realized it was an episode. But later I'm tell you about that. So my break is almost up. But can you believe that I bought a Pandora chain and the cleaning set? Because I don't know what happened when I was moving over here. I lost so much stuff. It seems like it fell out the box. So I lost my ordinary products, and then I lost the cleaning set for the Pandora. I don't know if I left it, but I know that I packed everything. And then my chain, it broke the other day. So what I did, I reordered the chain, but I still have the pendant because I look good with the chain. So I order it, I know me can't find my package. The package gone. Anyway, yeah. So this movie, let me tell you about it. It's called Unbroken. It has not even movie series. It have 259 episodes in season 1. Can you believe that? I started off watching it, thought it was a movie, and it was so interesting that right now I'm at 237, and it just every episode is drama. Every episode is drama. It's an African series. So I highly recommend it. It kind of annoying sometimes, but I've been watching it for 2 weeks straight, and the episode is not really long. It's like 30 minutes, but I'm not telling any lie. Just full of drama. If you watch it before, let me know. If you're going to watch it, let me know. My break is almost up, so I'm just gonna like brush my teeth, get ready because what I did, I took off all my belt, get really comfortable, and I have to reach early because I left before everybody. Yeah, so yeah, I'm getting back into the vlog vibes. Can you tell that I'm weird? Can you tell? Yeah, guys. Right now, may I try to finish off the series here of Unbroken. When name Unbroken. Yeah, it's an African series. As I said, I was gonna talk to you about it. Right now I have 8 more episodes. I have watched 251 well, I'm on 251 episode, and some part of the acting made me cringe because me I say, yo, why then can't just grab a gun from this somebody? Why you gonna untie the person? Like, it just like irritate me. But this is acting. But like, I'm working 4:30 tomorrow, and me I go watch off this 8th episode because we need to get it to an end. And guys, if you want to go and watch it, you can go and watch it on Tubi. That's Tubi. You can download it on your phone, and then you just sign in with your Google account or whatever account you have. Sign in, and you watch it for free. It have ads and so forth, but honestly, I don't I don't like series. But if you see me sit down and watch 251 going on to 259 series, that means it grabbed me. It full of drama. Like, every episode have something. And how, as I said before, I thought it was a movie. And then I start watched it. And then when I realized it's an episode, like me, I say, we need to see the next episode. And when we reach like, I think when I reach like 20 minutes, then there's so much episode in this. Like, when it is season I go done now, whatever. I'm going to look it up and I say I told you that the methodologies has come too far. But we never the far still, but me say, yo, me too invested to turn back. And here I am at 251. And I think it took me like maybe 3 weeks or less than 3 weeks to reach this far. Like, it is so, like, it's full of drama. Full of gunshot, it's full of a lot of stuff, and it just have your mind as I think, like, when it all come to an end. So if you want to watch like a long extended series, one that is full of drama, and African series, sometimes you have to read the caption because they must speak in them language. And yeah, so if you want to watch like an extended series, you know, have nothing to do, and you just want something like when you go home you can just watch it and just invest in it. Yeah, not invest, but do a little time with it. Unbroken, Tubi, that's what I watch it on. Yeah, so anyway, today at work it was a long day. Not really long, but it was a long day. I worked outside. It wasn't so cold. Well, for me, other person was saying it was cold, but it was a great day. We had a lot of guests. I could have made so much more money if they didn't cut me early for lunch, because lunch finished at 3 and I was cut at 2:30, and then a lot of people came between the 30 minutes. And yeah, so that's how that I'm open. Well, the paycheck closed off, and I am okay with the paycheck that I'm gonna get. So starting next week is a new paycheck, and I pray that I make way more than I make this time around. I am getting back into vlogging. You see that, right? Yeah, I'm getting back into vlogging. It kind of feel weird because I stopped, right? And then because of this video, I just want to rush come home and watch it. Like, yeah, I just wanted to update you because I told you that I was going to tell you about the series that I'm watching. And yeah, if you can recommend something, because it's so done, we're going to finish it tonight. If you can recommend something that's really good, and you think that I will watch it, just recommend it to me. Okay? Alright now, bye. Oh, it's tired already. Yeah, good morning. So today is today's Monday. Today's Monday, and I watched all of the series last night. I went to my bed like 4 o'clock last night, and I woke up 12 o'clock this morning. I got up and I look about what do you call it? Dash out, tin mackerel and fried dumpling. That's what that looks about. And I'm going to go work 4:30, so I'm just come to update you. Because I'm trying to be intentional. Right now I'm outside on the balcony. It seems like them a cut some tree over there. So the beer yesterday though, somebody left the kitchen where we're cooking open, and the beer go in there and mash up in there. And while me I talk, me I just put it on the screen so that you can see it. And him left a whole dump of shit outside. Like, and the bear was out there yesterday just chilling like the place are for him. Like, these bears are something else. Like, what? These bears are something else. So, if you're in an area like I know Vermont have black bears and so forth, make sure to keep, bin closed, as in padlock that, because it can open, the beer can literally open the doors of like anywhere and go in there, and if them want something them a go for it. So be careful. Last night I was walking home, and normally would I get drive, but everybody got them car, so my girl have to walk, and I could have went to the security to bring me, but I didn't want to bother them because I don't like to bother people. So I didn't go, and it wasn't that late. It was about, I think it was about 8 o'clock. So I walked. And when I was walking, I was so scared because I said, yo, any day now, anytime now, I go jump out of the bush. And I was just walking fast, walking with my flashlight and all. But thankfully, I reached home safely. There was no bear in sight. And yeah, well, it was kind of scary. So, I don't know how the rest of the winter will go. I hope when it get colder, them gone. I don't know. But these bears seem to like this weather, and they're coming out brawling daylight. Like, what? So I just come to just update you, be intentional about vlogging. I am back. Yes, I saw someone say that welcome back. I have not yet replied to all my comments, and I need to reply to my comments. My Vegas vlog that I put up, it now be in no monetize, and me just me now about to take it down. If you don't monetize, you don't monetize. I just say it go. If that I go to do the video, gonna make me make millions of dollars. Oh well. I know it might happen though, but I've been trying to fix it online and it just not fixing, and I just can't be bothered to take it down and put it back up because I'm just I lose views, because the first one that I put up I actually got some views, I got some comments, I got some like. Not many people are gonna go back and watch it back if you understand and comment back on it. But if you have, you can go comment on it. Yeah. So I just come to say good afternoon. Yeah, tomorrow I work all day in the wine garden. This weather is so beautiful. It's not so hot, it's not so cold, and I wish that tomorrow is like this so that I can make some money on the wine garden. You get me? Yeah. The last couple of days been good to me, and I hope it continues throughout the rest of the season. I hope it continues. And guys, remember that November is coming up. November is the time that you start looking for summer job. That's what I would say. People can start knowing about November, like especially the ending of November. That's when you should actually start securing your summer job. Whether you're in country, out of country, returning, whatever, start look for your summer job. November was the time that me, Teja, the whole of them people they actually start, because me and Teja came up here this at practically the same time, and we all start looking at our job in November, and that's when most of us landed our like jobs. Like, even though we never really sure, because many of these employers don't know if they're gonna get through their petition or whatever. We never sure because we never really understand the process like how we understand it now. So we started in November, and most of my people them that I got was when I applied in November. They just hold on to my file, and they later on interviewed me, and here I am today. But we never know. We just kept applying. We applied up until the very end. So start November and just lock back. If you know the process, just lock back and just do what you have to do. You don't need to carry the crowd in it. You don't need to follow the whole social media we talk about it. Don't get confused. Focus on you and do what you have to do. If you have one person in your team, go and do it, right? Because sometimes you talk some things and some people just stray you a different way and your mind all over and you can't get the focus. You need to have tunnel vision if you want this. So do that and succeed. So I just come to just update you today and anyway, peace and love and cocoa bread. So update of the day, I went to work and I got back. I don't know, but it's been my lucky month, I guess. What month we in? October? It's been a lucky month and I'm really grateful. And today was a good day. I had to train someone, so I gave them like some of my tip. Not maybe like probably I don't know if it's now 30% of my tip because she helped a lot. So but normally when we are serve still, we don't really go fast and get out all of the tip them. But because you're training, it's like you kind of step back a little bit. So, but she helped a lot, I must say. We get good tip apart from one table. One table is like the kitchen just mess up them food. Them love my service and everything. Both of our service, but they ordered 3-course meal. They ordered appetizer, entree and dessert, right? And the appetizer come out with cheese. The lady said she don't want the cheese. We put it on the ticket, right? Then the entree, the steak, she said she wanted medium rare, but it come out like rare, so we had to send back that. The carrot, she said that she didn't want any dairy or black pepper on it, and it come out with it, right? So we have to take off that. The dessert now, it's the bread pudding, my favorite bread pudding, and it come out cold. It's supposed to come out hot, and then when it come out cold, whatever she said cold, so I bring it back to the kitchen and then put it in the oven for 5 minutes, and it still come out cold. So we have to take off that. So we take off 2 dessert, 1 entree, and a drink. We only take off the drink just because we are say complimentary drink. So my bill slash in a half $100, and I would have thought the woman would give me like one good tip because I never my fault, but she's give me the 20% on the bill, and it kind of mess up my thing. So, but nevertheless, we get good tip, right? Because my first table, we get good tip from that. Get cash tip and all that. But that's just the update for tonight. Tomorrow I'm working in the wine garden. I'm praying that I have a good day. Pray, have a good day. So that's my update. I just want to update you guys. Then afterwards, I'm trying to see if I can get the car for Thursday, but they're saying that all the manager took the car, and if the manager took the car, they can't take it overnight, which don't make no sense, because if you have the car for employees, why you go bend the roof with some? They get me? I say, even though they're my manager, I don't care. So I don't know if we can get the car, so we might not go anywhere, because I wanted to go to the mall and whatever. I don't need to buy nothing. Probably to save my money, so maybe I'm just gonna my yard. But we actually just don't want to come out of the outside, probably just go restaurant or something like that. So probably I'm gonna go back to the drawing board and probably just go on a restaurant when the rest of Jamaicans them not left here. So it is now 11:23, October 21st, and I'm just signing off. I'm going to watch Shami. She just posted spend the day with me. I think I should do a spend the day with me. What do you guys think? I would say do it on my day off, right? Not at work. And the reason why I'm not really do much video at work is because they have a very strict phone policy. And as much as I dip on my phone, sometimes I text or whatever, them say no recording or whatever. So I'm just sticking by that. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. It's always good to be on the safe side. So that is that. So I'm just gonna relax drink my malta, watch Sammy, and relax. So I see you tomorrow, okay? Today's a lazy day, my day off, and I just feel tired. I feel like because I got in bed late last night and then I jumped up this morning because I had closing the washing machine and we never want nobody touch my stuff. So I get up and it's la wash. So right now, I walk, I go Bryson, go buy breakfast, lunch and dinner because I'm hungry and I'm too lazy to cook right now. So I'm gonna see if we can get a burger. Yeah. And I took down the shower curtain to wash the bathroom. All now I'm gonna start in the bed for morning, which I just 11:25 anyway. But I can't bathe unless I finish the bathroom and the curtain dry. I'll put it up. So yeah, fling on back the wig even though I take it off yesterday. But made too messy and me look too bad. My head look messy. I don't know why it look like rain did a fall because the road look wet. But I never know if rain a fall. Never know. After I'm going, I'm just gonna check on the clothes, but the other, cause I wash my sheet too, and that are dry. So I'm gonna just go lie down and sleep because I'm tired. I can't manage. Then we have to go edit. So, I just come back from Brighton and I brought $30 and the bill come up to $29.99, so that is good. I bought this because I'm gonna clean, even though I feel like shit today, I'm gonna clean. I bought this. This is my scent I always use. You know, the house like it's so good, and I bought this candle. I have one, but you know, as nice as this. I have like the blue one, the fresh one. But this one here, I like it. And then I like blow it, I like it. It was one of the guy that was here. He bought it and then he introduced it to me, and ever since it burned quick though. That's what I like. And then I bought a burger. I think the burger was $10. It comes with fries and the good stuff. So this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, I've been longing for fries. You know me, I love a fries. I love good fries. These are just basic fries. So, yeah. The salt though. I'm not gonna salt it. And then, I like everything on my burger. Lettuce, tomato, onions. And I don't like too much beef. So, this is good. I'm gonna probably put a little salt on the beef. Maybe not because it's fresh salt. I'm not gonna eat it. So I'm gonna clean the bathroom and all them someday. Like pick up back with because me if you cleaning it like that. I just feel like a slump today. Like all the I don't know, it come like everything just come down at me. I'm tired. Because yesterday I was supposed to finish work like probably 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. And then end up putting me inside, so I had to work until. But surprisingly, we finished 10 o'clock, which when I done everything, I said, oh, at 10 o'clock. So I reached home like 10:30, so it wasn't so bad. But my intention was that I'm going to reach home a little earlier. But me not mind because me depend on my quota. I'm going to just take quota because my quota for the day is like $200. I'm not going to lie. For the last couple of weeks, we've been exceeding that like every day. Love that for me. So I'm gonna eat, watch Love is Blind's season 7. It's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. It's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. And all the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. And all it chases me down, fight till I'm found, leaving 99. Just walk out, decide to go buy something to cook because I plan to go out tomorrow. I'm just not feeling the vibes. I don't know if we still reserve the car because they email me and tell me the car available now. But I'm not feeling the vibe. And sometimes I have to go with the gut feeling. And then some Jamaicans didn't want to cook. I don't feel the vibes. I just feel like I just want to relax. So I'll go cook something for myself tonight. Yeah. And just relax tomorrow. Tomorrow I just feel like I'm going to do some what do you call it now? Some research and so forth, so that I can better myself, because I realize that from the other day I've been focusing on other people, focusing on being single and whatever. Maybe I just put my mind in a business perspective and focus more upon that so I can elevate myself. You understand? And my next move. So I'm gonna shift my focus and focus on that. Yeah. So I'm gonna give myself a year to change whatever it is that I want to change in my life. So tomorrow I just feel like I'm gonna just dedicate my time and focus on being better, like making a plan, like a daily plan or a weekly plan or something forth like that. But me tell them more later. Alright guys, so just finished cook. I actually have the two burner outside because I never want the scent inside. So I just move it in. We plug it off and everything because it done cook, you know. But because the hot plate hot, I make it go on, you know, simmer down same way while I watch Love is Blind. Love is Blind, episode 1 to 3, make me ball. Now episode 4, make me say, yo, the guy with Anna, like, him so manipulative, like, what? Like, him just be giving me rich, privileged, spoiled child. Like, what? Like, anyway, I'm going to share my food and eat and then see if I can edit all these clips that I did today so that you guys can get a video Saturday. Yeah. This is the dinner. Yeah. So I'm just gonna eat this right now and then continue to watch Love is Blind. Yeah, and then I have my white grape Welch and I'm gonna drink with it and we're happy. Happy. So yeah. Good morning. It's not morning. It's actually 3:20. And in my defense, I went to bed late last night. I went to bed after 4 because I was watching Love is Blind. And then in my defense again, I got up early this morning. Got up, I had something to eat. I was watching Love is Blind again and then I fell asleep. And then I got up like maybe an hour and a half ago and I'm editing. So it's not like I don't have a reason why I'm still in bed. And then furthermore, it's my day off. Like girl, last stories. I was supposed to go on the road today, but I changed my mind. So next week I'll go on the road. You'll see that in the next vlog. So this week is just me just chatting foolishness and this stuff. So just to hear me edit and thing. You understand? Sometimes we have to just take a day and rest and just focus for you. What I wanted to do, some stuff today, steer me in the right direction. But me just sleep out the whole day. So I'm just going to just edit this and finish it up. So that tomorrow I can probably get my last clip. Because tomorrow is Friday and then have it Saturday. So I'm trying to be very intentional so that you guys can get a vlog. Because I've been out of it. And guys, it's been the hardest week ever when it come on to vlogging. Because I'm not used to doing it again. I don't know if we do it again. I know if we edit, thank God. And then right now I'm looking into sending this tablet back like trade it in. But I can't trade it in until one next one come out. Because I really and truly want a laptop instead. Because the software that I want to use, I can't use it with this. Like Adobe Premiere Pro, I like using that. So I'm looking into doing that. But for now, I'm going to use this. Okay? So just wanted to say today is a day where we're just in a bed all day with a palm bed rest. God forbid, not palm board. No, you know what I mean. Last time I just rest. Yeah. And so I'm gonna get up and do my hair and do my nails so that tomorrow I can be ready for work. Thank God me have food to eat later. And I'm not hungry because I'm gonna get up and eat. So I'm good. I'm not turn on no TV right now because every time I turn on the TV, I start watching, I'm not editing and I need to edit so that you guys can get a proper edited video. So I'm gonna come off of this thing and go and edit so that you guys can get a proper video Saturday. Okay, bye. Every time I try to be productive, something happened. Like, would you believe me that I'm there say, alright, I'm gonna edit and just put everything that we need to do, that whenever I'm putting the last clip, I need to do a focus on that, right? And when they hear me, I try to put in the text them, and the text them now going like me not understand like what is the issue. Me turn off the computer, me restart the computer, me export the file, and me do everything like me say me go start over the program, the software, and it still not work. Me update the system, the software, me update it and it not working. Like, devil, we are try. Me still gonna release it without the text, and people are gonna still understand. If before somebody use my phone and add the text them to it, like just chill now, chill, cause it not gonna work out. Anyway, so like how that now work, I'm just gonna focus on my hair and probably my nails. See if me can probably put on some extra nails on me. I was gonna take off these and start over, but me not have the time and the energy for that. So I'm just gonna fix the one here, and then do my hair. I was thinking to probably just do glue it on, but me don't know, me not sure. Me don't want my hairline tear out or anything, and I don't want the wig for just dip on my ear whole week, because I'm going to be working for 5 days, but I want it for last, you understand? Yeah, so I gotta just do that. I was thinking to just spray it, use the melting spray it, make it get tacky, sticky, and then put it on it, then tie it down. Hopefully that can hold like throughout the day rather than using the bonding glue. And I try to take it out of my hair. It wasn't so hard, but it's just annoying. So I'm just gonna do that now. And yeah, you don't need to see that, I don't know if I put it in here. I'll show you the after process when we're done. Memory card is full. I need to clean off the memory card here, and the reason why I'm gonna clean it off is because my sister have some video clips from Vegas and I so listen it to her. Maybe I need to buy a bigger memory card. I don't know. I need to. I think I need to. So I'm just gonna finish me here, and then after that, I'm just come back and show you how it look. Yeah, and then I need to shower. That's what I was saying before you cut off. I need to shower because, as you all know, I've been in the bed all day. So I'm gonna just take care of that, come back, and yeah. But you know, I'm gonna cook side. Me just love friend and company most. But I feel for fries. So somebody messaged me asking if me not cook. So I said no, me not cook. I feel for fries. So then I say, alright, then I go buy the fries. And I say, if more fries and chicken, what do you think, say? I buy them, I go buy it. So apparently, I buy chicken and french fries, the fries. So I come home, so I go just season it here and then bring it up there. Because I can't bother if I walk up and down with the stuff then. So I'm gonna season up the meat and then go out there and fry. I'm just gonna update him. I finish me hair. I don't know if I didn't just tell you that. When I finish the hair, I know I'm gonna finish the nails, which I'll do that next time. So I'm just gonna cut up the meat, clean it up, and then put on the season, make it soak a little bit, and then go fry it. Yeah. Really kind of better because at least it lasts. They have more food. You understand? Little french fries. That's what I felt for. And then it's better when you fry your chicken yourself, you know, it tastes better. Sometimes. So I'm just gonna cut up this and clean it up and then we go fry the chicken. Maybe stab it up like season go and marinate. And then go up this one. So that. Just want to update you. After I'm telling myself, yeah, go do me this and then finish edit and relax. So yeah, I cook. After I'm done telling you yesterday, so me nah cook. They must have set me for cook. No, so for the whole season, me I cook. For the whole of the H2B program, me just a cook. I go along so. That. Hey, the beer them I get from Batters, you know? The beer them I go everywhere. Me used to the beer open somebody car. I'm going to the car. And not even somebody car, the company car. Because at the end of the day, give sometimes like the security there have the company car, and then you have like certain manager have the car. You know, you have certain department have the car. So one of the car them, the beer go in there. Luckily, no food never like dash in there or anything, so the beer never really tear up the seat. You can imagine the beer going there and tear up the company car, and then you have to go fix it back. Because of your fault for no lock the door. Can you imagine? But so good, yeah. Anyway, I'll pick up back with you when everything is done. Alright, so it's Friday. I'm gonna close out the vlog. So hey, it's Friday. I'll come to close out the vlog because today is a long day. As you can see, I'm all dressed for work and I'm working up until 10:30. So this is the only clip I can add. I not add nothing because I'm not stressed myself, and I'm still having issues with the text. So I don't know how I'm going to put it in. Yeah, but I can't get to do what I want to do because something wrong with CapCut. So I'm just going to close out the vlog. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this vlog. Let me know what you want to see. If you have any questions, drop it in the box below. Thank you for always sticking by for all of my day ones. I am back, and I'm also looking to go back onto TikTok to share my knowledge on H2B and all those stuff, but me just like give myself some time. Let me slowly work myself into it, if you understand. I don't want to jump back into it and then me stop. I want when time I go in there, me have enough information and me have everything set. So that is my plan. Thank you as always. It's a pleasure being here and being back. Yes, it's a pleasure being back. Pick up on a nice clean self and see you in the next vlog. Bye.